gaining on us.
Well, if you speed the train up, maybe.
Uh-oh, they're coming.
Here they come. They're going to know.
I see two. Alright, come on. Oh my gosh.
It's okay, folks. They're blank.
Oh, why are we stopping the train?
Yeah, shouldn't we be going?
Uh-oh, there's one. They're getting on the train.
No way.
Yeah, they are.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
They are.
That's them guys from this morning. They said they were going to rob it.
Here comes the other one.
Here's the other guy. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh.
These guys look familiar.
Yeah.
Did you guys see these guys this morning?
Yeah, they're pretty
Didn't they all
nasty.
kill each other?
Yeah.
Well, folks, this is part of Xanterra's new recycling program. We reuse our cowboys twice a day here.
They're coming for money. I hope you have some.
Uh-oh. Are they getting on?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, there's one. He's in the next car.
Oh no.
All right, guys. We've only got a few minutes to prepare ourselves, prepare our defense attack, okay?